What's up YouTube? It's your girl Sophia RSVP and I'm back with a new video. Today I want to share another DIY video with you guys, but this one is a pair of jeans. I thrifted a couple of denim items this week and I found a pair of jeans that I just wanted to cut up, style, and bleach. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do that, and then I'm going to actually try them on for you guys in the end. So if you guys are interested in seeing this DIY video, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so you're gonna need a pair of jeans, you're gonna need some bleach in a spray bottle, you're gonna need a pair of scissors or an X-Acto knife to make the cuts, and some soap to wash them in the washing machine. So what I'm doing here is I just took my X-Acto knife and I'm making cuts throughout the denim. So large, big cuts, and what I'm doing to make them not look fabricated is I'm actually ripping them out at the corners. So I make a little slit and then I rough it up by ripping it with my hands. Next, I'm going to look for some little spots where I can make some little cuts that's going to give me the smaller effect of distress and ripping elsewhere on the jeans. So I'm going to do this on the front and all over the back, and then what I'm going to do is go to places like the pockets or the belt hoops, and I'm going to rough them up as well with the blade so that they also look distressed. So you can see here that all the cuts are in. This is just before I wash them, and now I'm going to bleach them. So I just hung them in front of the store. It's raining outside, so normally I go outside. So I just hung them in the door, and I have a spray bottle that contains pure bleach. It's not diluted with water. And what I'm going to do now is just spray the denim in all the places where I want it to lighten up. And usually when you do this process, it's actually pretty cool because you can tell by the quality of denim how fast the bleaching will lift the color of the denim. And these are a really good pair of Levi's, good quality. So you guys can see it took the bleach really well. It lightened up really fast. So now I'm ready to wash them. Here's the finished product, you guys. They are way different than what they look like when I got them. They were all one solid color with a little bit of stone wash on the legs, but I added a lot of bleach. I even rubbed them against a grater, which I didn't show on camera, but because I only did it in small areas like here, and it does give you that effect where you have the rip and you have a lot of little strings. So that's what I use the grater for. That's what the back looks like. You could tell that I put a lot of bleach and cuts throughout the denim. So what I'm going to do for you guys next is try them on so that you guys can see what they look like in a full shot. I love the way these turned out, you guys. These will be on sale here at my boutique 988 Concept, along with other custom denim jeans and shorts all summer long. If you've been following me for a while, then you know that I do have a DIY denim video that has almost 1 million views, so I will link that below for you to watch. But don't forget to check out 988 Concept for all your custom denim needs. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm going to be doing a lot more DIY, so subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, as well as I do a lot of new arrivals videos for the boutique, as well as outfit of the days and a lot of different types of videos in the store. If you want to follow us on Instagram, it's at 988 Concept. Follow my personal Instagram page, which is Sophia RSVP. Of course, I'll put everything down below for you guys. And don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this DIY. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.